Vortex mixers are indispensable tools in laboratories worldwide, primarily used for mixing or agitating samples through a swirling motion. Commonly employed in biology, chemistry, and medicine, these devices ensure precise mixing of liquids and suspensions. Key applications: sample preparation, essential in molecular biology for preparing samples before tests like PCR, ensuring all components are well mixed for accurate results. Homogenization, breaks down cells and tissues in pharmaceutical research, making them easier to analyze. Chemical reactions, speeds up reactions by evenly distributing reagents, improving experimental efficiency. Quality control, used in industries like food and cosmetics for testing product consistency and uniformity. Features and variants: Vortex mixers come in various models with adjustable speeds, timer settings, and attachments for different sample sizes. Digital models offer increased precision and control. Choosing the right Vortex mixer, consider the type and volume of samples, as well as the frequency of use. For delicate samples, choose a model that provides gentle mixing options. In summary, Vortex mixers are versatile tools crucial for scientific research and industrial applications due to their efficient mixing capabilities. For more information on Vortex mixers and related products, visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.